Hi, my best friend. Welcome to Psycho Says. A girl is always full of mystery, especially a shy girl. They do not easily express their feelings, and it will be more difficult for you to know their feelings. In most cases, a shy girl may not make the first move. Your job is to look for signs to know if they like you. Are you able to do it? But don't worry, if you are still confused and want to know whether they like you or not. In this video, you will find some subtle clues that show that they like you. Watch until the end of the video, so you can find all the important things as subtle clues from the girl of your dreams. Here are 7 signs a shy girl likes you. You are my best friend. Support this channel to grow and greet you by pressing the like, subscribe, and good comments button. Have you subscribed? If so, let's continue. 1. She likes talking to you. More often than not, shy girls find it difficult to initiate a conversation. That said, if she likes you, she is probably interested in what you have to say, and will try to lengthen the conversation as much as possible. However, do keep in mind that this is completely based on the person's level of introversion. Therefore, don't assume that she does not like you. She avoids taking your chats forward. 2. She touches you a lot. Body language is generally the love language of choice when it comes to shy women. Hence, consider paying attention to how often she touches you. An excessive amount of touching may imply that the girl is comfortable with you and may even like. 3. He quickly replies to your texts. Time is money, and as you grow older, you tend to have less of it to spend with your friends and loved ones. Hence, if a girl takes time out of her busy schedule to promptly respond to your messages, it means that you are very important to her. 4. She often looks at your lips. If you catch your crush looking at your lips often enough, it could mean that she also has feelings for you. Consistently staring at your lips is almost always a sign that a shy girl likes and really wants to kiss you. 5. She is super happy around you. Needless to say, being around the people you love often results in a happy, buoyant feeling. Thus, if a girl is super happy whenever she's around you, it's very possible she likes you. 6. She asks you about your passions. The best way to tell if an ashy girl likes you is to check if she has an interest in your passions and hobbies. Pay attention to the type of questions she asks you. If she wants to know a lot more about what you're passionate about, she could be romantically interested in you. 7. Around you, she behaves differently. Does she constantly touch her hair or blush often when she is around you? Does she have an unnatural laugh, or tend to look at her feet when talking to you? More importantly, does she do these things only when she is with you? If your answer is yes to these questions, then she might like you. Have you found some of the signs above? If not, the only way you can know for certain if a girl likes you is by asking her. Calmly express your feelings and ask her if she is romantically interested in you as well. If yes, you can discuss the possibility of a date. However, if your crush does not feel the same way about you, respect her decision and assure her that it will not affect your friendship in any way, shape, or form. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.